Hi, boys and girls. So we are going to be doing rhyming words with different word families. So this week we're studying long O, and so we are looking at these words here that have long O's, and we're going to be writing words that rhyme with it. So I want you to look at the first word here and sound it out. Let's sound it out together. Poke, poke. So we need to come up with some words that rhyme with poke. So let's look at the first of the alphabet and see if there's some beginning letters that we could put here. So how about joke? So joke starts with J, O, K, like this, joke. So now we need to think of 3 more words that rhyme with joke. How about broke? B, O, K, broke. Let's keep thinking. We need 2 more. How about woke? Like I woke up this morning and came to school. What? Oh, woke. Good. Now we need to think of 1 more. And it can even be like a nonsense word because we read those sometimes for our Acadience test. So let's do moke. Moke. Okay. Now that we have our first word family done, let's look at the next one and sound this word out. St. There's a T blend. St. O. V. Stove. All right, let's think of some words that we could write that rhyme with stove. How about drove? D. O. V. Drove. Good. How about rove? O. V. Rove. Let's do wove. O. V. Wove. And we'll do a made-up word. How about tove? T-O-V. Tove. Okay. Let's look at our next word family. See if you can sound that one out on your own. What is it? Note. Good. Let's think of 4 words that rhyme with note. Let's do moat. M-O-T. Moat. Next one, vote. V-O-T. Vote. We could do goat. Even though this isn't how you spell the animal goat, we could still make up a word. Goat. And the last one, let's do note. Oh, we already have note. That was the first one. Zote. Z-O-T. Again, nonsense word. Okay, now we have the word rope. Let's think of some words that rhyme with rope. Hope. H-O-P. Hope. Next one, nope. N-O-P. Nope. Next word, taupe. Taupe. And cope. K-O-P. Cope. All right, boys and girls, we have 2 more word families to do. So the next one is nose. Nose. Let's do, what's a word that rhymes with nose? Hose. Hose. Toes. Chose. O's. And let's do I don't know. What's another one that we could do? Nose, doze. We're just kind of making up words as we go if we can't think of any. So let's do the last one. The last word is bone. What's a word that rhymes with bone? Bone. Cone. Drone. Loan. And tone. All right, we wrote a lot of long O words. There they are. And then you can turn it over on the back, and we have some more long O words. So you're going to find the long O words like lobe, home, coke, joke, robe, bone, dome, and poke. Then you'll write them on the lines and find the words that fit in the boxes. You guys can do the rest. You know what to do. So good job today, boys and girls.